Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are we're unboxing this month's Birchbox. So this is what it looks like. This month's Birchbox is in collaboration with Cath Kidston, right? And the box is just gorgeous. It is so my vibe. And anyway, this is what the contents look like. And of course, as always, we get this little leaflet that tells us what we got this month and also next month's sneak peek. Okay, so let's just, get started, get on with it, because I'm super excited. The first thing is the Model Co Baked Highlighter in the shade Froze. This is what it looks like. Let me just get a little swatch for you. It's such a beautiful shade. It's like this pink, light pink and lavender highlighter. It is so up my alley. What does the pamphlet says here? It says just to swirl a fluffy brush across the marbled powder and sweep over cheekbones for that lit from within glow. So this is also Birchbox exclusive. So it's only available for Birchbox, and you can get it probably on birchbox.co.uk. So this is pretty cool because the color is great, the size is so, but it's, it's good for traveling, I guess. Okay, so the next thing is these. What is this? This is the Beautinique Beauty Fill and Tame Brow Gel in the shade Blonde. So this is what the packaging looks like. And this is what the actual brush looks like. So it's very small, it's great, plus the color, they actually got it right because it's in blonde, and as you can see, I'm a blondie, so that's very good. Okay, so what does it say here? Show unruly brow hairs who's boss with this easy to use formula. Starting at the inner edge of your brow and moving outwards, use short strokes to define and shape with the precision tip brush. This vegan formula is enriched with nourishing aloe leaf extract and glycerin, so there is no risk of crunchy or sticky hair. That is so good. Oh, I love my Essence Make Me Brow Gel. That it's the one with the fibers. This one doesn't have fibers, but I mean, it looks promising, right? The next thing is the Mask. What is this? This is the Mask Mineral Eyeshadow in 50 Shades. So this is the packaging and this is the shade. I swatched it before and oh my goodness, it's so messy. And the shade is, meh. It's kind of dark. I kind of wish we got, like the same shade as the highlighter. That would be so good. Anyway, let me just swatch it here for you. Okay, so this is what the eyeshadow looks like. I mean, it's pretty, but as you can see, I don't wear dark eyeshadow, like especially on a work week day. I usually don't wear any makeup at all. Today's an exception. But yeah, I mean, it's cool, but and it's so messy as well. See, that's why I don't really like pigments in such a weird, inconvenient packaging. But okay, let's not complain. Yeah, no, it's a pretty color, but I don't know if I'm gonna get that much use out of it. So the next, I didn't read what the pamphlet says. Okay, so this is, so it says mineral eyeshadows have a bit of a bad rep for being messy and time consuming. But this all natural formula is well worth spending a couple of extra minutes with. Made from 100% natural ingredients, it adds an easy wash of color to your lids. Wet your eyeshadow brush first for a more intense pigment. Okay, and the next thing is the Kat Kidston hand cream. So this is what the packaging looks like. Let's give it a little try. It kind of feels thick, like hard in the actual tube, but once you actually get it out on the hand, you know, it's creamy, I guess. Oh, it smells so great. It's very, very nice. And yeah, it is kind of thick, it is, yeah. So it's gonna be hydrating. Okay, so the leaflet here says, along with the usual suspects found in your handbag, keys, mobile phone, old receipts, we'd recommend saving a spot for this hand cream. Not only is the exclusive birthday rose packaging as pretty as a picture, but the floral lotion inside will leave your skin feeling silky, smooth, and soft. Definitely, I can already actually feel it on my hands. And the last thing is the Parlor by Jeff Chastain, or yeah, Chastain, I think that's what it is. Volumizing lifting spray. So this is what the bottle looks like. I mean, it's pretty cool. We got a hair product last month. You know, I usually just put my hair in a bun, so I don't use these kind of products. But let's see the spritz. Jesus, did you see that? I mean, it goes like, oh, but the smell. Oh wow, it's so fruity and refreshing. Oh my goodness. Oh, I didn't realize it's gonna be that good. Okay, so let's just see what the pamphlet says here. Ready for your hair to reach new heights? The brainchild of NYC hairstylist Jeff Chastain, this spritz uses volumizing marshmallow root and nourishing sweet almond oil to add lift to flat hair. Just mist it through towel dried hair and blow dry to add oomph where you need it. Okay, so I actually think that, yeah, I don't think it actually is it. So out of the whole thing, not really, you know, excited about this, the what is it called, the mineral eyeshadow, but yeah, I actually think this is a 3 out of 5 box for me. I'm excited about the highlighter, the hand cream, of course, the brow gel, yes, this eyeshadow, I will, you know, I will give it a try and I will see how it works, but not a fan of that. And this hair product, I will try it again, but you know, I'm not someone that actually I'm not someone that actually blow dries my hair every day. I just don't have time for that. So yeah, oh yeah, 3 out of 5, but the products that are, you know, that I like are actually very, very useful. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, give it a like. If you like this video, yeah, if you like this video, give it a like. It sounds so weird. Anyway, and if you liked me, then just subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And actually, there will be a lot more videos coming to this channel. So yeah, just, you know, subscribe and stay tuned to see those. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.